Last lesson, Gaojin helped us with the previous question already. Now for part D. Part D. 81. Okay, I will start with the beginning. 2x minus 3y. No, we haven't done this yet. Okay, what's the next part? Okay, go take. Okay, what's after 2x minus 3y? Right.
I have to write.
Yeah, right. This is on page 81. 81.
I do already. Wait.
Okay, so we have minus 4x plus 8y. Not finished what?
Wait. Negative 2x plus 5y.
Okay, so here we have the answer. Negative 2x plus 5y. Is this what all of you got? Okay, so the important part, this sign over here. When you have negative 4 multiplied by negative 2y, you get positive 8y. Like what we have been doing all over here. Okay, next one. Expand and simplify again. Expand and simplify. Ahmad, you look very bored.
Yay! My turn.
That was your flaw. Okay, put your hand do.
Draw connect. Hey, how to erase? Actually, I draw something very inappropriate. Oi! Wait, I accidentally draw something, I don't know why. I was about to draw, then suddenly my hand. I was about.
Erase.
Erase. Okay.
No, you draw one side.
Okay, class. So today, x squared plus 3x plus
So when you have
2x.
two terms expanded like this, you take the first term, multiply by 3.
You draw like that.
Drawing the rainbow all again. A times x. Then the next one, the same a times the negative y. So minus ay, and we still have two more. Dx plus dx minus dy. So this is what we are applying in this next question.
I check whether this is
Okay, put on the equal sign. X squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Okay, correct. Okay, now next one. Part B. Part B. Oh, once you finish all this, right, you can just continue lah. Okay, come, you try. Hold the pencil. Try. Next one. So take note on the positive, negative sign when you multiply them together. The few rules will apply. Positive is positive, negative. Multiply x times x, what do we have? Equal? Right, equal? Just write normally. You can put your hand down. Write normally. X times x is x squared. Okay. Good. minus x, then yes. Good. Yes. One last one. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, this is the next answer. X plus 7x minus 1. So you do your expansion, x and x, you get x squared. X and negative 1, you get negative x. And then you move on to positive 7 times x, positive 7x, and finally positive 7 minus 1, negative 7. We are doing multiplication. So now we have to simplify to get x squared plus 6x minus 7. Okay, moving on to the next question. Come, you go and try this. Try this. It's the same type. Try. Yeah, just do it. Okay, why do you have plus 5y?
Because if it's minus, then it's plus.
No, the minus there is plus thing is if there's an expansion with a minus on the outside. So what are we multiplying over here? X times y, you get xy, right? Then what are you multiplying next? What do you choose to multiply?
Plus to minus.
No, tell me which one multiply by which one. The first one is x times y. What's the next one?
This one is. Yeah.
So your arrow is correct, That's your first arrow. Which is your second arrow?
Oh, I see wrongly.
Okay, never mind. Let's erase first. Erase from this plus 5y onwards.
Wait.
And the draw. Okay. Which is your second arrow? X and
2.
okay. So x times 2 is x times 2 is how much? Is it 2x or negative 2x? X is positive, 2 is positive. Positive, give me? Positive, yes. Okay, now what are you multiplying next? Don't need to look at your work already. What are you multiplying next? Tell me which one times which one?
Minus 5 times y.
Okay, negative 5 times positive y. Answer positive or negative? Negative times positive.
Negative.
Yes, okay, put a negative sign. Okay. Yes, good. And finally, which two are you multiplying?
The 5 and the plus.
Is it positive 5 or negative 5?
Negative 5.
Okay, negative 5 and positive 2. Negative and positive, what do we get?
Negative.
Yes, put down negative. And what is the value? Okay, now you get to... Oh, you're done already. Then, finish. Nothing to simplify. Yes. Okay, so this is the next answer. xy plus 2x minus 5y minus 10. Okay, last question on this page. I shall do it for you. You finished this page already? Okay, straightforward, Yeah, okay. I forgot about it. X times y, x, y. Okay. Okay, so we have xy. I don't know why the pen is not working. I don't know, I thought there was battery.
100%
No, it's not connected. Okay, let me. So xy minus 4x minus y plus 4. That's all. X times y, x times negative 4, negative 1 times y, negative 1 times negative 4. Okay, factorize. Can. Okay, I give you a short break. Okay, factorize the following. Rian, what is the common factor over here? 4x and 12. What is the common factor? Rian, what's the common factor? 2, 3 or 4? 4. Okay, so 4. And what is next, Shella? K plus 3. Yes. Next, part B. What is the common factor? Jasmine. What is the common factor? 2. Okay, Hannah, what is inside? After you factorize out 2. Hey, you're not Hannah. Huh? What's the remaining? What did she say? 3m minus 10. Okay, correct. Okay, next one. Common factor. Chen Si, what do we have? What is the common factor? T. What is inside? 5 plus K. Next. Common factor. Nivian. Finish.
Let's go.
L. Okay, now we move faster. Huh? Not nothing. You got so much more. Okay, factorize the following. Do you remember how to use your calculator? For this. Okay, so I show you the difficult way first. The box, yeah, the 4 boxes. X squared and 30. Okay. In 9 boxes. Okay? In order to get an x squared, what times what gives you x squared? X times x. Now, what times what gives us 30? We'll try to fill in this blank and this blank to give us 30. Okay, 10 and 3. So if we try 10 and 3, 10 times x is 10x, 3 times x is 3x. You compare these two x terms, how many x do we have altogether? 13x, but it is not 11x. In fact, negative 11x. So what does this tell us about 10 and 3? Wrong, no? Erase. Redo. Yeah, that's the easier part, okay? So besides 10 and 3, what else have we not tried? 2 and 15. Okay, let's try 2 and 15. 2 times x, 2x. 15 times x, 15x. 15x and 2x can get 11x or not? Oh, cannot lah. Cannot. Okay, what else to try? 5 and 6. Okay, 5x, 6x can get 11x or not? Can or cannot? But we need negative 11x. Put negative, yes, put negative 5, then you get negative 5x, put negative 6, you get negative 6x. So what is the answer? X minus 5. So the answer is x minus 5, x minus 6. Now, this is the proper way to do it. This is the proper way to do it. But you can see the challenge lah. You need to try and try until you get it correct. So here I am going to tell you the shortcut. using your calculator. Okay, we are going to press the menu or the mode. Many of you will be using mode 3.3. If you are using this particular model, you press menu, press down, 5. Okay, 5. Then you choose polynomial. Very big word. Press 2. The degree means the highest power. In this case, it is 2. You should see something like that. Even if you are using mode 3.3, you should see something like this. Then now we key in the first coefficient. The coefficient of x squared is 1. So you put 1. That is as good as 1x squared in your calculator. Then we have minus 11. You press equal. Now you press negative 11. Press equal again. So you see 1x squared minus 11x. Exactly the same as your workbook. Finally, we have 30. Press equal again. Now the calculator has the information already. You press equal one more time, it says 6. What do we do with this 6? So the answer is, from calculator, the same question, you write equal to open bracket x. The calculator says 6. You don't write 6, you put minus 6. Okay, change the sign. If the calculator says negative 6, you put positive 6. You press equal again. The calculator says 5. So you open bracket, put x. Instead of 5, you put minus 5. And that is the answer. Without drawing all these boxes, without having to try and error. One way, that one, I don't know. I don't know whether you can trust him or not. Same, is it? Then should be okay now? Okay, now for part B. Everybody try with your calculator. Okay, I think we don't have time for the game already. Okay, so this gives us y minus 6, y plus 9. Okay, next one. This is your homework. Simplify. This is also your homework. Wow, so much.
Yeah lah, then you say want to do finish.
Okay, so those. Let's do it now. Okay, simplify. 13xy over 26y. Is there anything to cancel? Okay, y and y can cancel. 13 and 26. So leaving us with x over 2. That's it. We got still y, meh? No more y already. X over 2. Okay, part B. M and m squared. Any more? 9 and the 3. So we are left with m n over 3. Times. You write 1 mn. No lah, don't write 1 mn. Okay, times. Fraction times fraction. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So we have 2m times 3, 3 times 4mn. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Okay, now at this step, anything to cancel or not? M and M cancel. Any more? 3 and 3. Any more? 2 and 4. So become 2. Answer.
1 over 2.
Huh? Divide. Okay, divide. Keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. Numerator times numerator. Denominator times denominator.
1 over 2.
Anything to cancel? 15 and 5. So this becomes 3. D and D.
10 and 2.
10 and 2, 5. So we're left with
1 over 15.
oh, very easy or not?
Yes.
Am I going too fast? No, let's move on. Simplify. Now we have addition. Addition of fraction, denominator must be the same. Okay, so denominator to be the same, we need to multiply the first one by 4. Numerator times 4, then times 5, times 5. Overall, we have out of 20, 8x plus 5x out of 20. Total, 13x over 20. Part B. What is the common denominator? 9. How do we get a denominator of 9? Times 3 times 3. Answer for the first one, 6a minus a over 9 minus a over 9. So we have 5a over 9. Simple. Next. X plus 4 plus x plus 1 over 5. Important question over here. Make the denominator the same. Times 5. Times 5. Times 4. The whole numerator times 4. First fraction we get 5x over 20. Second fraction 4x plus 1 over 20. Here, do not expand yet. Do not expand yet. Combine, then you expand. So out of 20, 5x plus 4x plus 1. Now we expand. 5x plus, okay, what comes next? Shella, what do we have? Four x plus what plus 5? Is it 4 plus 1 or 4 times 1? 4 times 1, how much is that? 4, what you say 5? Okay, so we have 9x plus 4 over 20. Huh? Why don't I expand here, is it? Because if this is a minus sign, then a lot of careless mistakes will be made. If it's not, then can, but I don't want to confuse you all. Next one. Huh? Still can simplify? Cannot already. 9x plus 4 over 20 cannot simplify. How do you cancel? 4 and 20? Cannot. Ah, yes. But the 9 don't have a factor of 4. Okay? Okay, last question on this page. What is the common denominator? Okay, good. Times 7. Then this one times 7. Times 3. 3. So 2 times of c minus 1 times 7 over 21 minus 3c over 21. Now we combine. 2 times 7, 14. C minus 1 minus 3c, 21. Now we expand. 14c minus 14 minus 3c over 21. 14c minus 3c, 11c minus 14 over 21. You should be finding all these very boring. They should not be very new to you. Which one? This bracket 14, is it? Bracket, yes. Here, this bracket gone already. Break 10 minutes, then go home already. Okay, exercise 2.5, solve. You do anyhow. Okay, 2x plus 3 is 12. What do we need to do on both sides? Okay. Yeah, very good. Paying attention. But what do we do on both sides? Tashen, what must we do on both sides? Do what? What must you do? How to move the right hand side? Hey, I'm really wondering who's your maths teacher for the past 2 years, no? I mean for last year and this year. I never teach you all move here, move there.
We never learn that one. We learn different. We learn LHS.
What must we do on both sides? Minus 3 on both sides. 2x, 12 minus 3. So what is x? Now 9/2 lah. Part B. What must we do on both sides? Okay, Isaac, don't answer. Who else? Firas. What must we do on both sides? What? What must we do on both sides, Firas? What must we do on both sides? Plus 7. Okay, 3x, 20 plus 7, which is 27. What must we do now? Divide by what? 3, so we get 9. Okay, next. Shamim, what must we do on both sides? Hurry up. No, you can do it. Hurry up.
That one, then that one. I don't know. Then knowing, I don't know. I think I also don't know. Make 3 y. Make y the subject. Oh yes, correct.
How?
Minus 5 times 3.
What times 3?
I already know how to do the on top one. Plus. You plus 5, then minus 5.
Plus 5?
Plus 5. You plus 5. You plus 5 first. Then I think you remove the 3y.
Okay, how do you remove the 3y?
You minus
Minus what?
3y.
Okay, y minus 3y, that is equal to 1. So negative 2y equals to 1. And y equals to? Done. No need lah, you did this one. You did it lah, you don't need copy. Later, help me get Javier Ho to see me. Javier Ho. I ask him to see me. Something lah. Okay, next one. What must we do over here? Yukiko, what do we have to do for the first step? Three times y minus 5. What do we do? Come on. 3y. Minus 15. Okay, what do we do next? What's the next step? Plus 15. Next, last step. Okay, very good. Okay?